Now that we have our project set up, we are going to create our first feature using GitHub Workflow and GitHub Actions. For this project, we will use feature branch strategy, in which a branch is created for feature development. Once the development is complete, a pull request is created for reviewing the code. Once the pull request is approved, changes will be merged to the main branch. Let's dive right in. First, let's create a new branch. It's better to use the name to tie it back to the project management ticket. Say we created a new ticket Story 1 in our project management tool. So our branch will be named Story 1. Now we can write code to implement our feature. In this case, we are creating a simple website construct that will have an S3 bucket instantiated. It is also very important to test our code. So let's write a snapshot test for our website construct. We create a stack, instantiate our website construct using the stack as the scope. Then create a template object from this stack and get JSON representation of this template to compare it with the existing snapshot. As we do not have an existing snapshot, it will create a new one. Once the test passes and our feature is deemed complete, we can commit it and push it to GitHub. However, before we do that, we should run npx projen and npx projen build to make sure our code compiles, all the tests pass, and packaging is successful. Then we can track all changed files using git add command. We can commit this code using feat : prefix, which is part of conventional commit when developing a feature, and push it to GitHub. Now we can go to GitHub and create a pull request for our new feature. Once the pull request is created, it will run a CI/CD pipeline that will build, compile, test, and package the code. If everything passes, it will allow the branch to be merged to main branch. Once the branch is merged, you can delete the branch because the code is now available in main branch. As the code was merged to main branch, it will now trigger the release CI/CD pipeline that will release the artifact to the GitHub and publish it to the configured repositories. In our case, we only configured npm in this project, so it will try to publish it to npm repository. When GitHub release completes, we can go to our project page and see the released version. However, as we see, publishing to npm repository failed. So let's go ahead and check the reason for failure. Looks like it needs a token to publish to npm. So let's go ahead and configure that token. In order to do that, go to Settings and click on Secrets and Variables, and then click on Actions menu. Next, click on New Repository Secret button and add npm token. Once we are done with that, we can go back and rerun the failed jobs. This time, the job run will be successful and we can verify the published artifact by going to npmjs.com and searching for our package. As we can see, the package is now available in npm.js as well. This concludes our video.